Hello students, today we start the next topic, types of walls. So what is the meaning of walls? The fixtures which are fixed along the distribution system to serve the following purposes, like control the rate of flow of water, make the distribution system more efficient, meet the demand during the emergencies, releases or admit the air into the pipeline, prevent the or detect the leakage in the pipelines. So for all these purposes the walls are provided in the pipelines. There are various types of the pipes, and for the for that pipes the different types of the walls are to be used in the distribution system along the pipelines. So there are various types of the walls. First of all, the air wall. Now we see the working of the air wall. So see now here, air wall is also called as the air relief wall. Some quantity of air is contained in the flowing water. This air try to accumulate at the high points along the water pipe. There are chances for pipes to be airlocked. Therefore, to avoid this air locking of the pipes, the air walls are to be provided along the pipelines. The air walls should be located at a point which are close to or above the hydraulic gradient. This is the location. Now the air wall working, how it is work. The working of the air wall is in this way. When water comes in this direction, then it also enter into the chamber which is provided for the air wall. So this is a chamber provided for air wall or air relief wall. In the normal condition, this chamber is full with water, and so therefore this is the float which is at the which generally touch the roof of the chamber, and this float is connected with the lever, and lever is connected to the pipette wall. Pipette wall is provided here. When this float in the lower side, along with that, so along with that the lever start to work and it also lowers down. This results into the lowering of the pipette wall, and therefore pipette wall is opened. So in the working of the air wall, as the air start to accumulate toward the, generally it is accumulate toward the roof, so therefore this float will be lower down and take the position like this, means lever and float take the position in this way. So due to this, working of the pipette wall start, so pipette wall also lowers down, and air which is accumulated in this side is released from this pipette wall. And when all air is released, again water rises in the upward direction, and then float again touches the roof, and lever also rises in the upward direction, and at that time pipette wall get closed. If I see the image, then this is the actual air wall provided when this float in the normal condition. When water is entered through this is full with the water, and at that time the float is in this position, in this way. But when air is present in the water, it start to accumulate in this side, so this lowers the float along with the pipette wall. So therefore pipette wall lowers down and air is released from here. This is the working, this is the actual image of the air wall. Now the actual working of the air wall is seen in this way. This is about the working of the air relief wall. Thank you.